Hi, my name is Dr. Georgios Arseniou, and I'm an assistant professor and extension specialist of Urban Forestry at Auburn University and the Alabama Cooperative Extension System. In this video, we're going to talk about the use of native versus non-native tree species in urban landscapes. Deciding between native and non-native tree species can be complex, and it's important to weigh both the benefits and potential risks of using non-native trees. Native species are naturally adapted to grow within their regional geographic range, while non-native species are introduced from different regions. Non-native trees are sometimes chosen for their aesthetic qualities or structural traits that meet landscape goals. However, a primary reason for using non-native species is that urban environments often differ significantly from the natural habitat of native trees. These differences include higher temperatures, altered wind patterns, compacted soils, changes in soil pH, limited water availability, and widespread presence of paved surfaces, of course. Some non-native species can adjust well to urban conditions, and after successfully producing for several years may become naturalized. However, certain naturalized species can turn invasive, outcompeting native plants and spreading into urban green spaces and nearby forests. Invasive trees pose serious ecological and economic threats by disrupting ecosystems and diminishing the services they provide. As a result, invasive species should be avoided in planting efforts. It is advisable for arborists, urban foresters, and homeowners to consult local, state, or national guidelines and regulations regarding the use of non-native species. In some areas, planting native trees may be legally required, actually. Overall, native trees are preferred for preserving the ecological integrity and natural appearance of local landscapes. When native species are unlikely to perform well in urban settings, non-native trees may be considered as long as they are not invasive and comply with relevant regulations. Even then, their use should be limited to minimize the long-term risk of them becoming invasive, as this shift may take decades to appear.